Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. You need to start by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm section located at the bottom left corner. Now to add your alarm, click on this plus and set up an hour. When you finished, click on repeat and tap on days of the week. I will go with Mondays and Wednesdays. When you finish, select OK. Now tap on Sound section and after clicking on Allow in the pop-up, decide if you wish to apply your new alarm tone from your device by tapping on Music on Device, clicking on the song and going back, or you want to apply one of those melodies instead, like Ocean Whisper from recommended ones or Creek from classic ones. You can also tap on vibration at the top and adjust vibration settings however you wish to. You can tap on Synchronized to synchronize your vibration with ringtone, select None to disable it, or apply one of those patterns, like Beat. Whatever you do, when you finished, go back, click on Label, and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. To save it, select OK. You can also click on ring duration and decide how many minutes your alarm will ring. Then snooze duration to adjust how many minutes your snooze will take and how many times it will repeat. When you finished, hit OK and save your alarm thanks to this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it and turn it back on the same way. If you wish to make some changes, just click on your alarm, adjust it however you wish to, and tap on this check mark again. To delete it though, click on it as well, but this time tap on Delete button over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!